back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can download any kind of app in MacBook OS. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to add your Apple ID. So let's start. So I have already added in. So simply we need to click on this icon which is called App Store. So let's click on this. So after clicking on this, as you can see, the App Store is here. Now simply it will take few seconds. Now it's done. Now if you want to download or install any kind of app, you can also do that. As you can see, all the apps are provided here. You just have to search for that app. For example, we are going to install any kind of app. So let's see which one we want to install. So if you want to search any kind of a specific app, you can also do that. Like if you I want the coil both, so let's search for that, and it will be here. So I'm gonna write this. So for example, I'm going to search for the Photoshop. If you want Photoshop, then simply you need to write the Photoshop here and then press the enter, and the Photoshop will be here. So as you can see, this is the Adobe Lightroom in here, and the Canva is here. If you want to install the Canva, you can also do that. Simply you just have to click on the get install, and now we need to click on the install. Now it will take few seconds and it will start downloading. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, it's here. Now we have to provide our Apple ID password. So I'm going to write that, and after that we have to click on the get, and the downloading process will be started. So in this way you can download any kind of app or install in MacBook. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.